What's up, what's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. All right, so I need to analyze this function that I'm given. Now, a couple of things here. Number one, if I was to go ahead and follow this out and then double distribute this through and then distribute the 4 through, I'm going to end up getting like a x to the third, right? That's, well, actually 4x to the third really is what I'm going to actually get. So because it's a positive x to the third, I know that this graph needs to do something like this, right? Meaning that as my x value goes to positive infinity, my y value is going to go to positive infinity, and as my x value goes towards negative infinity, my y value goes towards negative infinity. So I have those two tails for sure, okay? And it's positive, right? And if it was negative, then I'll go the other way. Okay, where when it goes to negative infinity, I'm going towards positive infinity, and when I go to positive infinity, it goes to negative infinity. So everything is kind of backwards, right? Kind of like if this was flipped over the x-axis. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, I know that I have a 0 at x equals 1 with the multiplicity that is of 1, or better yet, odd. That means at x equals 1, it's going to go through, right? So chances are over here will be x is equal to 1, okay? Because this is going to go through that point, all right? Let me see. I have another 0 at x equals negative 3, right? The multiplicity of that is 2, which is even, means that it is going to touch the x-axis. So this is going to go through the x-axis, and this is going to touch it. Meaning, if I looked at this graph, I'm going to say that here is going to be x equals negative 3. Okay? So let's look at this as my like x-intercept, if we want to, right? Or x-axis, I should say. Right? Where if we notice that this is going to go through, that's why it's called odd, and this is touching it, and that's why that's even. Okay? Let me see here. What else do I need to know? I think that's about everything I need to know. So even from that, I can tell that this is probably my graph right here. In fact, I can probably just do this and call this my y-axis. And then that is probably what my graph looks like. Okay, I just gotta find my so-called y-intercept, and I'll know for sure how this graph goes. All right, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be choice D. I hope that helps. If there's any questions, please let me know. Okay, if there's any questions, please let me know. See ya. Bye.